Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today, we're diving into the GOYOJO Thermal Imaging Camera with 192 by 192 IR resolution. And honestly, this little gadget has been turning heads for good reason. You just plug it straight into your Android or iPhone and boom, your smartphone becomes a professional-grade thermal camera. No batteries to charge, no Bluetooth pairing headaches, just pure plug-and-play simplicity through USB-C. But is this product really worth buying? Let's talk real numbers. First up, the specs that actually matter. This camera packs a 192 by 192 infrared resolution with a 12 micrometer pixel pitch thermal sensor. What does that mean in real-world use? It means you're getting incredibly detailed thermal images that can spot temperature differences down to the smallest detail. We're talking about a 50-degree field of view, which is wide enough to scan entire ceilings, floors, and walls without constantly moving around. The 25 Hz refresh rate gives you smooth, real-time thermal streaming. No lag, no stuttering, just fluid imaging. The temperature range is seriously impressive, -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. That's -20 to 400 degrees Celsius for our metric friends. And here's where it gets even better. It maintains plus or -2% accuracy across that entire range. For professionals doing electrical inspections, HVAC diagnostics, or automotive repair, that precision is absolutely critical. Why is this such a popular choice? I think it comes down to three things. Number one, it's incredibly compact. We're talking 1.77 inches by 0.43 inches by 1.34 inches. That's genuinely pocket-sized. You can slip this into your tool belt or jacket pocket and forget it's there until you need it. The rugged aluminum construction means it's built to handle real job site conditions. It's drop-proof and ready for wherever your work takes you. Number two, the THG Start app gives you serious customization power. You get 14 different color palettes to choose from: rainbow, white hot, black hot, red hot, and more. This isn't just about looking cool. These different palettes help you identify temperature variations in different environments and applications. You can adjust contrast, brightness, sharpness, even set temperature alarms for safety monitoring. Number three, and this is huge, it draws only 0.31 watts of power. What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? It means this camera sips power from your phone instead of guzzling it. You can run extended inspections without worrying about killing your phone battery. Now let's talk applications, because this is where the value really shines. For home inspections, you're spotting insulation gaps, finding hidden water leaks, checking for drafty windows that are costing you money on energy bills. For HVAC technicians, you're identifying duct leaks, checking airflow patterns, and diagnosing system inefficiencies instantly. Electricians are using this to find overheating circuits, loose connections, and potential fire hazard before they become serious problems. Auto mechanics are diagnosing engine hot spots, checking cooling system performance, and finding electrical issues under the hood. The compatibility is solid too. It works with iPhone 15, 16, and 17 series, plus virtually all major Android devices including Samsung, Google, Motorola, OnePlus, and more. Just make sure you're not using a super thick phone case, because that can interfere with the connection point. One thing to note: the device does periodically calibrate itself with a brief clicking sound. That's totally normal and actually ensures you're getting accurate temperature measurements every time. You can turn off auto calibration in the app if needed, but I recommend keeping it on for the most reliable readings, AT around $80 to $100, depending on where you find it. This thermal camera delivers professional-level performance at a fraction of what traditional handheld thermal cameras cost. Those standalone units can easily run $500 to $1,500 or more. The GOYOJO gives you similar functionality by leveraging the smartphone you already own. Bottom line, if you're a professional tradesperson, a serious DIYer, or even just a homeowner who wants to save money on energy bills and catch problems early, the GOYOJO Thermal Imaging Camera is a legitimate tool that punches way above its price point. The combination of high resolution, wide temperature range, accurate readings, and truly portable design makes it a smart investment. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.